Today we're talking about the new Reason Studios Algorithm FM Synthesizer Virtual Instrument plugin. Alright, that was a lot to get out there. So, if you guys have not heard of this, that's fine. It just came out. So, we're going to go over this plugin in detail today and actually what it sounds like. That's the point of this tutorial. It's more of a listening review. So, I actually prepared 5 different pieces for you. I wrote based on 5 different presets in this plugin. So you're going to get a good idea if this is a plugin that you actually want to purchase or if it's something you want to pass on after watching this video. All right. So we're going to get to all that after this introduction. Welcome everybody, I'm Dan Spencer and I am the Audio Sorcerer. So this is the channel where I teach you how to perfect your audio recording, mixing, and mastering skills. So before we get to the video, make sure you guys smash that like button, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to know how many videos coming out. So without further ado, today we are talking about the Algorithm Hybrid FM Synthesizer by Reason Studios. So I am on the website right now. I just want to kind of show you the page here so you can see the pricing. So if you want to buy this plugin outright, it is $99. You can trial it for I think 30 days. That's what I'm actually doing with it. Or you can subscribe to Reason Plus for $20 a month and you get everything that Reason has. And then you can also do a rent to own for $9.99 a month. All right. So in this tutorial here, we're not really going to be going over this plugin in depth. This is more a listening tutorial and talking about my 5 favorite presets in here. I got to spend some time with this plugin today and I went through almost all of the presets. I think there's like 250 of them in here. And I ended up picking out my 5 favorite and I wrote an individual piece for each preset so that you can get a good idea what this plugin can do and what it sounds like. And then you can decide whether it's something that you want to buy or not. And I'm also going to give you my personal opinion at the end of this video on whether I would buy it or not, because you guys know I am doing a free trial now, so I'll let you know what I think at the end of the video, all right? So, with that being said, let's actually get into Pro Tools here, and I'll show you the plugin real quick. All right, so this is the Algorithm Synthesizer by Reason Studios within Reason Rack plugin within Pro Tools. So this probably looks pretty daunting to a lot of people, especially if you haven't used Reason before. You know, their synths in here all have a bunch of knobs, a bunch of faders, and of course you could automate any of these and do pretty much anything you want, all right? So this middle section here is pretty much where you're going to be doing all of your filtering and adjustments when it comes to ADSR, all right? And down here in the bottom right, this is mostly where your effects section is. And up here at the top, my favorite section right here, this is your preset section, which then opens up all of these options over here. And these are all the different banks that you have, which it looks to be about 8. And you got your pitch and your mod wheels here. And you can do basic things like changing the octaves, and you also have a randomizer, which allows the sounds to be more random as opposed to always the same, because some of these sounds within here move. So that's kind of cool. So that's this plugin in a nutshell. All right, I know there's a million things you can do with it here, but I just want to kind of give you guys a quick overview. Again, this tutorial is more about listening to what this plugin could do. All right, so we're going to get into the listening portion of this tutorial, and I got 3 questions that I want you guys to answer in the comment section below after you listen to my samples. I want to know which preset you guys like best. Second, this plugin is supposed to be kind of modeling the 80s with a modern twist on it. Let me know if you think it's got some 80s overtones to it. All right, let me know that in the comments below. And lastly, can you imagine yourself using this within your music? So I'd like to know the answer to those 3 questions, and that would be awesome if you can answer those for me. All right. So that being said, let's actually get into the listening part, and we will start with the first preset, which is actually called Nasty Payback /JL. Alright, so those were my pieces I recorded for this tutorial. And I know one of them actually sounded like Tuesday Is Gone by Leonard Skinner, and I did that on purpose, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. So would I actually buy this plugin? After playing with it for a few hours today, the answer is no, I would not buy it. And the reason is, owning Reason Suite 11, I have so many synths in here, and I haven't heard anything from this particular synth that I think is groundbreaking, that I don't have in other synths. You know, I feel like a lot of the sounds were kind of recycled into this here, and I feel like I kind of get that when you go from one synth to another in Reason. I feel like there's only so many different sounds in the world that can exist. There's only so many different synth sounds they can actually create, you know? And, you know, there's no reason for me to own this. If I had the Reason Plus subscription, I would get this for free because it would be part of the bundle. It would be fine. But no, I'm not going to pay $99 for this plugin. Now, don't get me wrong. It's a great synth. It's fine. It's just that there's other great synths in Reason that can pretty much create a similar sound and get me where I need to be in music. All right. There's no reason that I need to pay another $99 and buy another plugin. I have plenty of plugins. You can call me a plugin hoarder, and I'm sure many of you guys watching this tutorial are. You know, if I want to preach one thing to you in my experience this year, since I actually do reviews on a lot of plugins, don't go out there and buy every plugin that comes out. Actually take the time to maybe get a free trial and think about spending money. Be a little conservative with your money. There's no reason to go out there and buy every plugin that comes out, because there's a good chance you already have a plugin in your bundle that can do what the plugin that you're thinking about buying can do. All right. So keep that in mind. That is your advice from the audio sorcerer for today. All right. So I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe because I love making this content for you, and hit that notification bell to know when new videos coming out. So that being said, until the next video, I will see you guys later, and peace out.